Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Felicity Jane unboxing for the Grace kit. Now this bow was prettier when it came, but I had to untie it just to take a picture of it for Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started. It comes with this beautiful card. It's a thank you card, but I like to use it in my Project Life albums. And it has like a felt heart on there. I don't know if you can see the dimension. There you go. And then I'm going to be unboxing it and putting it on my tray. This is a tray from Michaels. I don't think they sell this anymore. But this is how I keep my kit while I'm working on it. Okay, let's do this first. This comes with the Felicity Jane. This is the Grace paper pack. And I love cutting these apart and using them in my on my layouts. Now it only comes with one sheet or one pack, but I ordered the second pack. So I'm going to show you both sides of the paper, but know that the kit only comes with one set. Okay, it comes with this April sign. Oh, one has a March sign. Oh no, they both came with March and April. Oh, because we didn't have a kit in March. So it comes with both of these. And then these I will be cutting up. And then I fussy cut the scallops to use on my layouts as well. Okay, let's get started. Here's the first page of the Grace kit. It's the Felicity line florals and lines. Here's side A, and this is side B. Oh, look at these flowers down here. That's gorgeous. Okay, so that's A, B. Here's tiny dots and flowers. It's got the little dots on there. I love this mustard yellow. And then the back side of that is, oh, these flowers, look at how pretty they are. Can you see that? On a mint green background. Then there is these boxes. And then the back side of that is, oh, these dots with rose. Ooh. Plays tricks on your eyes. The next is stars. And the back of that one is these diamonds. Then comes this green gingham. And the back of that is these rainbows. Rainbows must be a thing right now. I'm seeing them everywhere. I guess rainbows always makes everyone happy. Then here's the hearts. And the back side of this is labels. Oh, I'm so glad I got two of these because I'm going to fussy cut all these out. Then the cardstock comes with this pink, and the back of this pink is this salmon orange color. Then this bright pink, and this mint green. Alright, so there's our papers. The kit comes with these mint green alphas, the Great Puffy alphas. I always love her alphas. So I'm going to put these, and I always order 2 extra sets. So I'm going to put these right behind here just to use, because I always run out of the vowels. Here's the Grace Puffy stickers. I like to use these all up. But this is so good because everyone's doing the social distancing and staying at home. Then come the, oh, look at how cute this little glassine bag is. I like to use these glassine bags in my layouts as well. Let's see if I can get it without the tape so that it doesn't rip the bag. Ooh. It comes with these tickets, pink and white. these silver stars, 2 stars, and some sequins. Can you see that? Okay, that'll be fun to use on this page. Then it comes with these designer tabs. Oh, I love these. Look, you can fold them, put the dates on them. Now, some of these are not, oh, none of them are slick. Oh, that's good. You can use them to fold them, or you can use and cut them and get 2 uses out of them. That's nice. And some of these have actual stitching on them. Okay, all of these are not the slick glossy kind, so you can use the VersaFine. It also comes with chipboard bits. Hearts, smile, happiness, just darling, everything, home. Look at how tiny and cute these are. These will be fun to use on layouts or even in Project Life because they're small enough to be included there. Okay, so there's those. Then these are the die cut shapes. These are my favorite. I especially like getting the Felicity Jane girls. Here's Grace. Isn't she adorable? Love her. Then it comes with all these die cuts and labels, flowers of course, labels, tags, cameras, butterflies. I like that they have the black and white and the colored flowers. Labels, a couple of tags, scallops, stars, black and white again, smile, friend, day by day, good one for right now, right? So I'm going to put these the die cuts here, and they're made of a thick cardstock. Then here are the journaling cards, and I typically use these for Project Life, and I like that the back of them has a grid so that if you don't want to use the top card, you can just use the back. It's grid, dots. Oh, it looks like a library card. That's great for journaling. Here's that rainbow again. A pie chart. Whatever life plants you, bloom with grace. Oh, I love that. Okay, so there's that. And then here's the stamp set that comes with it. Let's do it like this. Growing through it, this is what something looks like. You can stamp out flowers, and you can stamp this out separate color from this to build a flower. Bloom with grace. This is what hard work looks like. So these looks like you can stamp in between here. A rough day, home, good for these days, right? Today, real life, with everyone staying at home. This is a perfect, it's like she knew this was going to happen. Okay, that's the kit. And separately, I ordered the Grace Girl stamp. I always like to order, I collect all of these. So here's the Grace Girl. Beautiful, right? Felicity Jane. Love these stamps. And then I also got just a typewriter alpha stamp. So the girl stamp and this stamp did not come with the kit. Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me show you what my kit looks like when I break it apart. Looks something like this. And this is how I'm going to use it. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are interested in this kit, I will have a link down below. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.